Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For all those of you who are new, I'm Anita and I do videos on our everyday life in Germany. So today I thought I would let you know about a few things which I noticed when I first moved to Germany. So I came on the 27th of February. It was either Wednesday or Thursday. But on the Friday, I went, I decided to do a little bit of grocery shopping. So we walked down the road and, to go to the, supermarket. So to reach the supermarket, you have to cross the farmer's market. And out there, I saw so many elderly people buying things, relaxing, having coffee, having lunch, socializing. And it was so nice to see elderly people doing their own thing, being independent and being happy, and it was a very very nice sight. So I thought I'll share that with you. So in Germany you see a lot of elderly people doing their own thing and socializing, and it's nice to see, that's a very very good feeling, actually, at least for me, I would say. At least I feel good when I see that. Then when I went to the supermarket, the first thing I noticed, there were lots of fresh fruit and vegetable. Like one day I'll take you to the supermarket, but and I will show you the supermarkets here, and you can have a look at how nice the fruit and vegetables are. And there was lots of, as you entered the supermarket, there was like lots of fresh fruit and vegetable. And the good thing was that it wasn't so expensive. If you are not well to do, I mean, you can eat fresh food, and you can eat healthy food. And just because you're not well to do, for people who are not well to do and stuff, it's not like you are pushed to eat food which low in nutrition and things like that. So I think that's also a very important point, because I mean, when you eat well and you eat good food, and then you feel good and you're physically in a good state, and your entire life also makes a big difference. So that's the second thing I noticed in Germany. The third thing I noticed was that, children, I still note every day I see it. I drop my son to school. Coming from India, I'm still paranoid, and, I still feel like, I need to, see my son off and pick him up from school and stuff like that. But in Germany, children go and come to school on their own. So in the morning when the train comes, there's a train full of kids. And most of them, I don't think any of them are actually escorted with their parents. They're coming on their own, parents or even anybody from the family. They're coming and they're going on their own. Obviously, they're in groups, so that there's some security when you're traveling, with all the other children. But whatever, they're still traveling on their own. So I thought that was extremely, extremely that goes to show how safe a place is. If if your child can go and come on their own, I mean, that says a lot, I would say. The next thing which I noticed in Germany is that, this you will not notice right away. You may notice this in about 6 to 8 weeks of being here. You don't get any marketing calls. You don't get any, no one sends you emails and, marketing emails and marketing text messages and all. It's at a very minimum, almost nothing, because data privacy is a big thing here, and you can't just keep contacting people and all the time, selling something and pushing things onto them and all. So that is it's, you will notice that when you come to Germany, you will not get any marketing calls, and you may just get one odd thing. It's just, I mean, in 8 months I've just received one marketing call, and that's it. And that was also, they just call twice a year to check if there's anything you need. They said we call twice a year customers just to check if there's anything that you want to say or something you need, and you got any feedback, and that's it. Just 2 calls a year, which is nothing. So that is something which is new to me, and this is how things in Germany are. And the next thing you'll notice in Germany is that people are very calm and cool and relaxed. Everything is really a nice relaxed space, at least what I've seen so far. But then suddenly, I don't know what happens when you go to the supermarket. I don't know, when you put your stuff on that conveyor belt, they start, scanning it at lightning speed. I don't know what happens to them. And it is actually scary, because you're the other end trying to collect your stuff, and that person is scanning it at I don't know what speed. So what you need to do at that point is you need to tell them langsam bitte. Langsam bitte means slowly, please. And when you do that, they're obliging, and they will, they'll oblige, and they will scan it at a I would say at a comfortable pace. So this is one thing I will just tell you: if you are moving to Germany, please, like, once you reach to once you get to, when you bought everything and your stuff is on the conveyor belt, just please tell the lady langsam bitte. Langsam means slowly, and bitte means please. You just say those two golden words, and believe me, your supermarket experience will be nice. So I hope you like today's video. I hope you like my content, and if you like what I do and you like my content, I would strongly urge you to subscribe. And if you can send my video to your friends and family, that would be like so good. And I hope to come up with something nice very soon. Thank you for your time. Until next time. Bye bye.